Greeting. This is Matt Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can do calculation in Microsoft Word. So for instance, you're a teacher. I actually want to send all of these information right here to your student. For your student to do this without have to use pen or download it and all of that. The system definitely have some stuff that I can actually use. If you're at the workplace, I want to allow your workers them to do like maybe the addition here. There's a way in which I can actually. So I'm going to take you through this particular section here. But let me go up right here. Right, you notice right here the instruction. Right, so based upon the instruction right here, if you're using a laptop, what you wanted to do, the control key. So on your keyboard, use the CTRL, then use the FN key, and then use the F9. So all of these keys, you're going to press them together. When you press them together, you're going to get a bracket like this right here. Right, and that's where you're going to start the calculation. If you're using a desktop computer, you want to press Control plus the F9. Very important. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually do this. Right, so as a teacher or maybe office worker or boss, you want to allow your co-worker, your student to do this with the system, it's pretty easy to follow. So I'm going to be guiding us through this. Right, so if you send this to your student and tell them to do this, right? And if you're using a laptop, as I said, if you're using a laptop, this is what you wanted to use. You Control plus Fn and F9, right? So very important. So I'm going to do the first one right here. So let me zoom up somewhere that I can actually see. Right, so if you notice to come right here, so I click the cursor right here. So I'm going to use the Control, the Fn and the F9. You're going to see exactly what happened. You notice this is the bracket itself. So when I use this, this is what come up. So what you wanted to do, you're going to put equal. Equal is on the keyboard, so you press equal. And remember to calculate it all, formula start with an equal. So what you want to do, you want to say 55 here, and then you're going to hold on the shift key up, put the plus sign, and then put 55 again. Right? And this is where you're going to show exactly the student how to do it. That's when they send it to them or to the employee, in case we set up what to do. You make them put the cursor right in the middle here and right click on it. When you right click it, you notice there is a field update, field edit, toggle field code, font paragraph. What you want to focus on is right here. It's a field update. You're going to click right there on the field update. You notice it calculated just the same. You're going to do the same thing for the next one. You're going to press the same, the Control, the Fn, and the F9 together. Now I have that one now, so I want to say 100, right? And I put the minus sign, then I'm going to say 50. Doesn't matter what the figure you put inside here, so it will calculate it, right? And then you put another 50 again, right? And remember, don't take off the highlighter, because if you take off highlight, it's not going to work. So on the right click now, you're going to click on fill update, right? You notice not never a while ago because I missed what equal. So very important. Remember the equal. Right, so I'm going to right click, I'm going to fix field update, and there you go with that one. So I'm going to scroll up and go to this one. I'm going to do the same thing likewise again. So I'm going to set equal and 67, the minus and 7. So I'm going to put the cursor right there, right click and click on field update. Right, so when I send something to your student can actually do this. We have to show them how to do it. I apply and all of that. All right, so we're going to do the same thing. But this one, just the same. So we're going to set equal now. So it's 70. Right. So what you want to use for this one is the asterisk. Why the hold on shift key and look up where the 8 is. You see the look asterisk, press like that. That stands for multiply. Right. And then you're going to put the cursor on it. You're going to right click again, field update. And there you go. Actually give all of that. All right. You're going to scroll up to this one now. You're going to press the Fn and F9. Just the same, we're going to put equal. So we're going to say 99 minus 9 now. Going to put a cursor on it. You're going to right click. All right, there you go. Now we're going to click on this one. Right, so very important here. Let's scroll up a bit. All right, so what I wanted to do now, we're going to do the same procedure. All right, control. Good, we're going to say equal. So we want to say 2. All right, so put the asterisk now. Times and then 4. Then the minus 4. Right, very important here. You put the cursor on it, you right click like that, and there you go. So this is one of the way you can actually show your student then how to do the calculation here in Microsoft Word by using the system feature, or you can actually show your co-worker how to do the same thing. It's very important. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So just remember to share it with your friend and consider subscribe if you are new to this video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.